What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I just want to give you guys a few top popular tools that you can actually utilize if you want to get the most accurate and timely sort of data when it comes to doing crypto market research. So you could be somebody who's new to the market, or you're actually a seasoned pro. I have a few tools that you guys can check out that I do recommend, that I use personally myself. I use these to just minimize risks and to also just give me that edge, especially considering that these crypto markets can be extremely volatile. But other than that, I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying the good pump that we've seen. Bitcoin running up from the upper 20s, cracking that 30K mark, touching that 35K mark, and really just kind of bringing a new sort of optimism and a sense of renewed confidence in the digital asset space. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to always go to our main site, that's decentralized.news. That's where you will actually get a lot of these tools and resources for free. There's a tab that we've dedicated specifically for resources. So just go to decentralized.news/resources. You'll be able to get all the information there. So the first sort of tool on my radar is Messari. Some of you might know it, some of you might be new to this. This is a data aggregator. Effectively, what it does is to help you scrutinize charts and just make trading decisions that are more informed. So it does have different features, including filters like volatility, liquidity, and market caps. They have a Messari screener, which is also quite an invaluable tool. Others include the watch list, the research and quarterly reports that these guys publish. They have different pricing tiers. The basic version is free. For an advanced experience, which is Messari Pro, I think is priced at around $24.99 per month. I think it's $24.99 per month, but that's billed annually. But if you want to just pay month to month, you can pay $29 a month. And this offers you some enhanced charts, data, downloads, in-depth research, and all of that good stuff. So check it out. Another tool I typically run to a lot is Glassnode, and this is something that I use to just get me to make sense of that on-chain data. It does provide insights, capturing metrics from different blockchains to just make sure that you've got accurate crypto network activity assessments. And also you can use this in terms of like the good features that it has. It's exploring market indicators, to setting alerts, even downloading data. It has a lot of options. So they do have different pricing tiers. You need to check out what the most accurate ones are. But you have that free access tier 1 for deeper insights. I think you've got a subscription, which is also around the $29 a month fee, with an enterprise option that's also available at a customized rate. If you're a company that really needs these insights, you can speak to the team and then they can customize that pricing for you. So that's Glassnode. Another tool is Luna Crush, which is a social intelligence tool. It monitors social networks to assess investor sentiments as well, and recognizing the power of social influence in cryptos, real-time insights into key influencers, and tracking sort of capabilities of coins and exchanges as well. It does have this tier in pricing for the pro members. If you are staking INR tokens on the platform, you can receive real-time alerts, portfolio indicators, and there's also an annual 5% yield on your holdings as well. Another one you need to check out is Coin Metrics. So this is an analytical tool, combines financial intelligence, market data, and other analytical tools as well. They also have a network data pro plan, where you can have access available on an extensive range really on different assets and different metrics. You also have different pricing fee tiers as well, and API key access. You need to just make an inquiry, go check out Coin Metrics on their website. The last tool I'll recommend is Sentiment. So that's Sentiment, SA. It's a predictive crypto analysis tool. Delivers data from on-chain sources, social media, financial channels on over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, fundamental insights, behavioral reports, and alerts systems for spikes in social media volumes and those type of highlights. It really helps you figure out what's going on, what's hot, what's not in the market at the time. Also, they have kind of a pro version, which is I think $44 a month, billed annually. You need to double check that. And they do have real price data and comprehensive access. Developers as well can use the SAN APIs, which start from I think $149, billed annually as well, and offers these extensive metrics, spec testing tools, and also bot development options. So these are some of the tools that I like to use on a regular basis. So this is how I really try to make sense of the market. There are many other tools that I left out, but those are like my top 5, I think. Messari, Glassnode, Luna Crash, Coinmetrics, and Sentiment. So, the crypto market, you need to understand it is dynamic, demands that robust, kind of diverse research in terms of the tools and things that you use. And, go check them out and see what you think. And if you want a full comprehensive list of crypto resources and tools, we have like a dedicated resources page on our platform, like I said, which is on decentralized.news. So head on over there and, make sure, you're making good decisions at this crypto bull run. It's been a really, really tough time in the market for the last couple of years, but I think there's now signs that there could be some positive sentiment and some light at the end of the tunnel with the Bitcoin ETF and all these big things are looming. I think, it's time to really get prepared and to make the right informed decisions by making sure you're utilizing professional tools that'll help you to do so. And a lot of them do come with free versions, so you don't necessarily have to be kind of spending a whole lot of money up front to just be able to do your own research, which is what I always recommend. It's good to get information from people like myself and other people who are in the market analyzing what's going on. But it's always best to also try to do some of your own research, because that really kind of gives you a level head when you're entering these markets, knowing that, you're not just making decisions based off of others' opinions and sort of tips. So make sure you head on over to our social media platforms as well. You can connect with us on every social media platform you can think of, including Discord, Telegram, and all that good stuff. Also, check out the links in the description to my books. There's a free download, DeFi Millionaire. It's at defi-millionaire.com. It's a free book, comprehensive, the most comprehensive DeFi book by far, I think. And that's not to toot my own horn, but I think I really go deep into helping anyone, whether you're somebody who's already kind of familiar with crypto or you're somebody who's new to it, really break down the concepts of decentralized finance in the totality, and kind of how you can leverage this new wave of capital markets to really make profits. So go check it out. The book is free. You've got no excuse to not download it. If you want to support the channel, however, I don't monetize this content, go buy my other books, Tokenized Trillions. It deals with real world asset tokenization on the blockchain. You can also get Blockchain Applied, that really talks about specific use cases of distributed ledgers across multiple industries, supply chains, insurance, healthcare, public sector, military, anything and everything that you can think of, really giving you live use cases of companies that have been doing real live pilots or real live implementations of blockchain powered tech. So other than that, guys, make sure you head on over to our site if you want to trade and do that good stuff. Make sure you check out the links in the description to all the decentralized exchanges that I really recommend. You try to use non-custodial platforms whenever you can, so you are in charge of your own assets. And like, share, subscribe, man. Turn on the notification bell. I will be seeing you in the next video. If you've got any other content that you'd like to suggest or you'd like to see on this channel, just hit me up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys are into. Where do you think this bull market is going to go? Are we going to stay above 30K? Are we going to push towards the 40K mark? It's looking like we could be heading in a new direction, but a good, positive direction this time. And I'm wishing you all the best, success, love, peace. Peace. Here it is.